Makobecha, you are welcome. Ukoko, Uyono, Urobo online classes. Ochoyowa, that's it. Tivo, Osewewa, where is your father? Tivo, Osewewa, where is your father? Tivo, Osewewa, where is your father? Osemekpada, my father went out. Osemekpada, my father went out. Osemekpada, my father went out. Oyoma, Ose, father. Ose, father. Oyoma. Osewewo, how is your father? Osewewo, how is your father? Osewewo, how is your father? Osemeyo, my father is fine. Osemeyo, my father is fine. Osemeyo, my father is fine. Osemeriemu. Okay, let me edit this one. Oseme, okay, Osemeriemu. My father is eating. Okay. That's the correct one. It should be Osemeriemu. My father is eating. Oyoma. Oyoma ene. Osemeriemu. My father is eating. Osemeriemu. My father is eating. Osemekpiwo. My father went to work. Okay. My father went to work. Okay, it should be my father went to work. My father went to work. Osemekpiwo. My father went to work. Okay, Oyoma. And Egbare. Okay, let me correct this one. Mikwananavi. Okay. Oyoma. Osemekpiwo. My father went to work. You can follow us on IG and Facebook. Ukoko, Uyono, Urobo. Like our Facebook page. Follow us on Twitter and LinkedIn. I remain your humble presenter, Ekurume Owumi Ohenenyero Wado Urobofeyo no Urobo is worth learning. Please speak Urobo to your children. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. It is free over. You can subscribe. It is free over. You can subscribe. Wado Akobecha.